Okay, take a point O on your notebook. Now here take a point O, this on your notebook. Okay, now open compass with 4 centimeter first. Now take a scale and your compass, okay, with pencil. Take a compass and measure 4 centimeter. Measured, okay. After measuring this compass, okay, the metal point, so because compass having a 2 points, first is a metal, is pointed point, metal point, this is called metal point. Then another arms is pencil point. Okay, now so put the metal point on this O, okay, and draw the circle like that, like that. Okay, draw the circle. How? Like that. Clear? Now to make another circle with same centimeter, same center, open your compass, measure your compass with 5.3 radius with scale, 5.3 radius with scale. Okay, clear? Then again you have to put the metal point on the same center and draw the 5.3 centimeter circle like that. So it will be looking like that. Okay, and the second circle radius is 5.3 centimeter. Now this is a radius, this is the radius of a circle which is
सर यार
Excuse me, sir.
सर आपकी आवाज
5.3
अटक
centimeter,
अटक के आ रही है सर बहुत.
which is 5.3
Sir.
centimeter. Yes. Next, after the making two circle with say 4 centimeter and 5.3 centimeter, open again compass, measure again compass with the 6.2 centimeter length by ruler. Okay, by scale 6.2 centimeter. Then put again its metal point on the same center O, here same center O, and draw another one circle, so which is looking like this, like that. And its radius, the third radius will be 6.2 centimeter, like that. Clear? Now children, you know we are doing second question of exercise 18, circle. Draw a circle with center, draw a circle with center C and radius 4.5 centimeter. So you have to make the circle with 4.5 centimeter radius. So take a scale and compass again. Okay, take a scale and compass again, this is scale like that, and this is 0 point of the scale. Then measure this with your compass 4.5 centimeter, measure the 4.5 centimeter with your compass and scale. Okay, with the help of scale you can
Sir measured.
measure. Okay, now draw the circle, because question saying draw the circle with center C and radius 4.5 centimeter. So this is the draw the circle with center C. So mark C, because center point is already mentioned in your question. Center C. This is a center of a circle. Or what is its radius? 4.5 centimeter. It is radius is 4.5 centimeter. Now, after this, children, look at this. Mark point PQR. It means 3 points we have to mark on the circle and out of the circle, such that P, first P, I'm talking about P point, such that P lies in the interior. Interior means inner side of a circle. Exterior means outer side of a circle. Okay, and on the line means boundary of a circle. Okay, now first P lies in the interior. It means interior. You can put the P, point P over interior. You can put the P here, here. It means inner sides of a circle. You can put anywhere interior of the circle. Correct. Now next is Q lies on the circle. Q lies on the circle. On the circle. It means this Q point is lies on the boundary of the circle. Any types. Sorry. Anywhere of the boundary like this one. Suppose I take this and I point Q. Point Q. It means this is on the circle. Clear? Q. And R is the exterior of a circle. Exterior means outer of the circle. R exists on outer of a circle. This is the boundary and outer boundary. You can look, this is the point. Then you can write R. Okay.